here. Hang on. No, I've not lost my place. Yep, there it is. Let me get a screenshot here. And let me tap on it, see what happens. It's different. This is a test of the National Wireless Emergency Alert System. No action is needed. Sea levels are fine, and climate change remains a myth. Okay, cool. First, Ford's testimony that the assault occurred in the summer of '82 when just 15 conflicted with both her therapist notes and the text messages that Ford sent to the Washington Post. According to the reporter Emma Brown,
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation